got a lot of work to do. He's got 6 trucks in front of him. Stacy Switzer will lead the field around to the Great Caribbean green flag. We'll get to the back bumper of Stacy Switzer. Back to Sean Murray and Jeff Down on the outside. Door to door, Sean Jacobs, Sean Murray, Jeff Down, and Howie Rose. Outside of Stacy Switzer, and door to door as the other turn for contact. Slides up the track in turn number 2, Mark Gordon, your new leader. Howie Crows now going to try to highline on the track. Back down, and then to the back bumper, Sean Jacobs. He looks pretty wide. Well, Jack Allen back out of that one. It's really wide. But now he is going to try to Sean Jacobs to shut the door. Oh, and Jack around Howie Crow. They almost jack up the high road. And the Colts will come. been nothing but checkered play for the 52 machine in 2024 season. As Mark Gordon hops out of his Just Hockey sponsor ride. Mark, unbelievable run. Once you got in the lead, there's no looking back. How much fun was that?
Yeah, the truck's great. I mean, other than the flat tire and the other heat, it's, again, another vehicle that might set up to the monkey to drive, right? I'm the monkey tonight.
Who would you like to thank to get you here tonight in particular?
I want to thank Larry Crow over there in the corner because he's got Crow's gas all over all of our cars. And Howie and everybody for